Looking to feel lighter, more energized, and give your digestive health a boost? Whether you're interested in a gentle cleanse or long-term gut health, stay tuned till the end of the video to learn how to naturally and safely refresh your colon. In this video, we'll explore the top science-backed methods to cleanse your colon. First, we will cover the fibers, its types, and the best fiber sources available in the market. Then we will move towards the enemas. It's a bit more procedural way of cleaning your gut. We will cover its types and the most effective and top-rated enemas available in the market. Moreover, we will cover the impact of probiotics, herbal teas, magnesium supplements, and exercises in cleansing of your colon. Now let's get started. Fibers. There are two types of fiber, soluble and insoluble. Increase in fiber intake helps bulk up stool, promoting regular bowel movements and naturally cleansing the colon. Research shows that diets rich in fiber-packed foods, like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes, can boost digestion and support colon health. Before diving into types of fibers, here's a little tip. Try not to stick to just one type of fiber for too long. It's good to mix it up. That's why we're bringing in a variety of fibers to keep things interesting and balanced for you. Types of fibers. A. Psyllium husk. Psyllium husk is a type of soluble fiber that absorbs water to form a gel-like substance, helping to bulk up stool and encourage regular bowel movements. Studies have shown that psyllium is highly effective in improving stool consistency and frequency. One study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition highlighted that psyllium can significantly increase stool water content and improve transit time, supporting regular bowel health. Here are some top-rated psyllium husk supplements and products available. Metamucil, popular psyllium supplement available in powder, capsule, and wafer forms for digestive health. Viva Naturals Organic Psyllium Husk. Organic, fine powder for easy addition to smoothies or recipes. Now Foods Psyllium Husk Powder. Pure powder, commonly mixed with water or juice. Kirkland's Signature Optifiber. Dissolves easily in liquids without thickening, convenient for daily use. Yerba Prima Psyllium Whole Husks. Coarser, natural form of whole husks for mixing with water or juice. Organic India Whole Husk Psyllium Organic, high-quality whole husk option for recipes or supplementation. B. Inulin Fiber. Inulin is a prebiotic fiber that nurtures beneficial gut bacteria. As it ferments in the colon, it promotes bacterial growth that aids digestion. Research published in the British Journal of Nutrition found that inulin increased stool frequency in adults with constipation. Additionally, it supports a diverse gut flora, contributing to overall digestive health. Here are some top-rated inulin sources and supplements available. Fiber One bars and cereals. Contains added inulin to enhance fiber content. Benefiber Prebiotic Fiber Supplement inulin-based powder that dissolves easily in water or food. Jerusalem Artichokes. Whole food source of inulin, rich in fiber and prebiotics. Now Foods Organic Inulin Powder. Pure inulin powder for mixing into drinks or recipes. Gundary MD Prebio Thrive. Prebiotic blend with inulin and other fibers for gut health. C. Oat Bran. Oat Bran contains a blend of soluble and insoluble fiber. The soluble fiber adds bulk to the stool, while the insoluble fiber helps move it through the colon more quickly. Studies show that oat bran can improve stool frequency and softness, especially for those dealing with constipation. Here are some top-rated oat bran products due to its high fiber content available. Bob's Red Mill Oat Bran. Whole oat bran, great for smoothies, baking, or hot cereal. Quaker Oat Bran Hot Cereal. Ready-to-cook oat bran. Ideal for a fiber-rich breakfast. Nature's Path Organic Oat Bran for recipes or cereal. Now Foods Oat Bran. Pure oat bran, versatile for mixing into dishes. Arrowhead Mills Organic Oat Bran Flakes. Cereal flakes with oat bran for a quick fiber boost. Kellogg's Cracklin Oat Bran. Crunchy high-fiber cereal with oat bran. D. Wheat Bran. Wheat bran is rich in insoluble fiber, which adds bulk to the stool and speeds up its transit through the colon, making it helpful for relieving constipation. Research published in Alimentary Pharmacology and Therapeutics shows that wheat bran can boost stool frequency and shorten intestinal transit time, supporting colon clearance and easing constipation. Here are some top-rated wheat bran options with low sugar content available. Bob's Red Mill Wheat Bran. Pure wheat bran for adding to cereals, smoothies, or baking for extra fiber. Kellogg's All-Bran high-fiber cereal with wheat bran, ideal for daily use. Post-Bran flakes. Wheat bran flakes, perfect as a breakfast cereal for added fiber. Hodgson Mill unprocessed wheat bran. Unprocessed wheat bran, great for mixing into meals as a natural fiber source. Pectin. Pectin, a soluble fiber, helps increase stool bulk and retain water, making it beneficial for digestion. It also has prebiotic properties that support the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. Research published in Nutrients shows that pectin can enhance stool bulk, promote a healthy gut microbiome, and improve colon function. Here are some top-rated pectin sources and supplements available. Apples high in natural pectin, especially in the skin. Citrus fruits. Pectin-rich, particularly in peels and membranes. Pomona's universal pectin, used in jams, provides natural soluble fiber. Now Foods apple pectin capsules, convenient apple-derived pectin capsules. Cherto liquid pectin. Liquid pectin for cooking, supports digestive health. Now that we've covered the natural method for colon cleansing, let's move on to the procedural approach for cleaning the colon. Enemas. Enemas are procedures that involve introducing liquid into the rectum to stimulate bowel movements. Their primary purpose is to cleanse the colon, relieve constipation, and prepare the bowel for medical exams or procedures. Enemas are commonly used for detoxification, to support digestive health, and to alleviate temporary digestive discomfort by flushing out waste and toxins from the colon. Mentioned next are some of the most recommended types available with minimal risk. 1. Saline enema. Saline enemas are a safe, gentle, and effective option for most people. The saltwater solution draws water into the colon, softening the stool and encouraging bowel movements without irritating the colon lining. Here are some top-rated saline enema products. Fleet Saline Enema. Over-the-counter saline enema providing quick relief from constipation in 1 to 5 minutes, with a pre-lubricated comfort tip for easy insertion. Fleet Enema Extra. Contains 70% more volume than the standard Fleet Enema for a deeper cleanse, ideal for those needing extra relief, working within 1 to 5 minutes. 2. Mineral Oil Enema. Mineral oil enemas lubricate the colon, making it easier for stool to pass. They're especially helpful for those with severe constipation, but they're not recommended for regular use due to potential effects on nutrient absorption. Here is top-rated mineral oil enema available. Fleet Mineral Oil Enema. An over-the-counter enema providing gentle constipation relief by lubricating and softening stool. Results typically occur within 2 to 15 minutes. Known for its effectiveness and ease of use, it's available at most pharmacies. 3. Warm Water Enema. A warm water enema is a simple and gentle option, often effective for mild constipation or cleansing without added chemicals or irritants. You can prepare a warm water enema at home or purchase enema kits that include water bottles and tubing. Note: ensure the water is at a comfortable, lukewarm temperature to avoid discomfort. 4. Microlax Enema. Microlax is a mini enema that helps relieve constipation by drawing water into the colon, softening stool quickly, typically within 15 to 30 minutes. It's commonly used for mild to moderate constipation and is generally well tolerated. Popular brand. Microlax Enema is widely used in Europe and other regions for its fast-acting relief. Safety tips for enema. Follow instructions carefully. Misusing or overusing enemas can be harmful, so always follow the instructions provided with any enema kit. Use in moderation. Frequent or excessive enema use may lead to dependency or cause electrolyte imbalances. Consult a healthcare provider. If you have existing health conditions or experience chronic constipation, it's wise to speak with a doctor before using an enema. Now let's move towards the other natural ways of cleansing the colon. Stay hydrated. Staying well hydrated is essential for healthy digestion. Water softens stool, making it easier to pass. Dehydration can contribute to constipation, so drinking enough water helps keep the colon clear naturally. Probiotics. Probiotic-rich foods, like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and kimchi, support beneficial gut bacteria, which are vital for digestion and colon health. Studies also show that probiotic supplements can help regulate bowel movements and alleviate constipation symptoms. Magnesium supplements. Magnesium can help relax intestinal muscles, easing constipation and supporting colon clearance. Studies indicate that magnesium citrate and magnesium oxide effectively promote healthy bowel movements. Regular exercise. Exercise stimulates the digestive system, encouraging regular bowel movements. Research shows that consistent physical activity improves gut motility, aiding waste movement through the colon. Consume herbal teas, in moderation. Herbal teas like peppermint, ginger, and senna can aid digestion. Senna, in particular, is a natural laxative, but it should be used sparingly, as frequent use may be too harsh. That's all for today. I hope this information is useful for you. Thanks for watching. For more health-related videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel.